Itong video na ito ay continuation ng video ko entitled How to Begin Marketing with a Limited Budget. Ngayon naman magbibigay ako ng actual tips and examples of how to market your product with a limited budget. At tulad ng sinabi ko sa unang video, napakaraming ways para mag-marketing. It is really up to you para mag-explore, mag-test, at matuto kung ano talaga yung effective for you. Number 1, at siguro ito na yung favorite ko, offer your product for free and ask for a review or a testimonial. Ang reviews and testimonials ay two of the most important and strongest and organic ways for you to get social validation, meaning pag tinignan ka ng ibang tao, alam nila na lehitimo yung produkto mo, and also makikita nila yung experience, hopefully positive experience, ng ibang tao. Huwag kang mahihiyang manghingi ng testimonial nung Friendster nga ang dami mong hinihingan. So isa sa mga pinaka-common na ginagawa ng mga tao is having their product tested by friends and family. While okay naman to, not a lot of your friends are honest. At dahil doon, hindi ka talaga makakakuha ng honest review or honest validation pagdating sa product mo. The best thing to do is to give away free products to friends of your friends or friends of your family. At doon yung makikita kung masarap ba talaga, kung maganda ba talaga, kung effective ba talaga yung product na ilalabas mo. Syempre naman, siguraduhin mong hindi ka lugi sa kakapamigay ng mga produkto mo. So, kung mamimigay ka ng freebie, siguraduhin mo lang na may enjoy ng tao na pinagbigyan mo ng freebie na yun at hindi ka naman malugi. Kung sakali namang negative or pangit yung ma-receive mo na review, make sure na hindi mo ito pa-personalin dahil ito ang pinaka-importanting learning experience and learning situation na pwede mo makuha. Take a step back, analyze kung ano talaga yung mali sa produkto mo, and adjust. At huwag mo nang hintayin dumami pa yan, kausapin mo na sila, really ask them, really get down on a personal level kung ano hindi nila nagustuhan and kung ano man yung tingin nilang kailangan mong i-adjust. Ngayon, once you get your first batch of reviews, make sure that you post a couple of them. Huwag kayong magpo-post ng sobrang dami. Marami ako nakikita pinapost sa isang folder. Puro reviews, puro testimonials. Walang nagbabasa ng lahat ng iyon. Ang two reasons dito usually kasi nagmumukhang hard sell so wala talagang tumitingin or hindi nila alam kung ano nangyari, masyadong cluttered yung post. So kung gusto mong gawing effective yung testimonials mo in luring in new customers, make sure that you post something that invites them to look at the reviews instead of posting the reviews directly in batches. Pero syempre, ang pinakamadali nga is taking a screenshot and posting that. Hopefully, wag mo lang i-screenshot ng simple tapos i-encircle mo kung ano yung sinabi nila. Make sure na professional looking pa rin ito. So, try nyo kumuha ng screenshot behind a colored background. Lagyan nyo ng shadow. Madaming apps na gumagawa niyan ngayon. And number 2 is target your community first. Bakit ka nga naman lalayo kung pwede ka mag-market directly sa community mo? Saktong-sakto to guys dahil sa mga professional chismoso pa lang, kitang-kita mo na yung effectivity ng marketing activity mo. Actually, today may nag-message akong kaibigan, sabi niya, grabe, ang taas ng delivery fee ko from here, which is Antipolo yata. Antipolo to Caloocan, 300 pesos yung product niya, 150 pesos lang. And that just goes to show, behind that, kung gagawa ka man ng effort, just make sure na hindi ka magta-target too wide of an area. So really try to concentrate on your community first, outwards. One tip that I can give in regards to marketing to your immediate community is flyering. Wala na masyadong gumagamit ang flyering ngayon. Make sure lang na meron itong contact details mo at iba-bounce off mo sila from that piece of paper to your social media accounts. Tipid na, mas mura siya sa Facebook boosting at sobrang dali pang gawin. Number 3 is encourage engagement. Isa to sa mga personal favorites ko kasi parati ko itong ginagawa nung nasa events ako dahil sobrang dali niyang gawin at sobrang taas ng engagement nito. A couple of examples na mag-encourage na engagement is doing a giveaway or doing a challenge. Madaming versions ang mechanics ng encouraging engagement. So gagawin ko to every time maglalabas ako ng bagong produkto or meron lang akong gustong produktong ma-clear out or mabenta during that period. So typically, I would run a giveaway. Yung participants ng giveaway na to, maaaring manalo ng product along with 3 other friends. So maglalabas ako ng magandang graphic, tapos yung caption ng graphic na yon, I will ask whoever is participating to number 1, like the post. Number 2 is tag 3 of your friends and put down a caption kung bakit sila yung napili mong mga kaibigan. Number 3 naman is share the post. So yun yung mga kailangan nilang gawin to win that promo. Make sure lang na yung post mo or your promo mo is compelling enough to attract other people in their network. Also, an added bonus pagdating sa mga ganito is directly replying to the comment section and engaging with the people that have tagged other friends. Ngayon, yung number 4 is a little bit related to that actually. Commenting and posting on other people's timelines and other people's posts prior to posting your own. Apparently, ang mga social media platforms ngayon is really a give, and give business. Meaning, the more you give to the social media platform, the more interactions you make. Apparently, ang social media algorithms ngayon ay nagtitingin talaga kung sino yung mga active na tao on their platform. Which makes sense dahil social media platform nga sila. They want human activities and they want to make sure that all humans are within their social media platform. Facebook actually goes as far as not promoting your post as much kapag meron siyang link that directs them outside of Facebook. At apparently, pinapabura nila yung mga users that have actual activities prior to posting. Number 5, capitalize on the abundance of micro-influencers. Ang micro-influencers ay yung mga pausbong pa lang ang online careers with a follower count of anywhere in between 1,000 to 100,000. And also, hindi porket marami yung followers nila, hindi ibig sabihin na lahat yan totoo. And so, higit sa followers, kailangan mo i-check kung number 1, bagay ba sila sa produkto or niche mo. Number 2, mataas yung engagement nila with his or her followers. Pwede mong hingin tong data na to kung seryoso ba sila sa ginagawa nila or kung wala sila nun, i-check mo yung comment section. Ideally, meron silang community na inaalagaan. Check mo kung meron silang Facebook community. And last but not the least, make sure na mabibigyan ka nila ng tracking. Maraming paraan para makakuha ng tracking tulad ng APIs. Pero kung masyadong complex yun sa'yo, one simple way of tracking is giving a specific coupon code to a specific influencer. Ngayon yung coupon code na yon, gagamitin lang naman yun ng mga galing sa page nila, di ba? And so once they claim that, on you, mabibilang mo kung gaano nga ba talaga ka-effective yung engagement nila for your brand. Ngayon, paano babayaran yung micro-influencers? Maaaring bayaran mo sila directly with cash kasi hindi naman sila ganun kamahal ngayon. Or, bigyan mo sila ng commission for every product sold, or both. Number 6 is let your customers sell for you. Medyo similar to sa number 1 at napakasimple lang din ito. Let your customers sell for you by incentivizing, posting, or sharing their product with discounts or freebies. Makikita itong ginagawa ng maraming online sellers actually. So, hindi na to bago. Siguraduhin nyo lang dekalidad pa rin yung invite nyo to like and share or do a testimonial for that freebie. Dahil ang dami ko na-receive sa Lazada and Shopee na pagdating ng package, magbubuksan ko, mayroong piece of paper na nabasa na ng ulan or na nabasa na ng something, tapos hindi na siya mabasa or basta ang pangit tignan. Huwag tayo ganun. And last but not least, number 7, content marketing that really stands out. This includes but is not limited to Facebook and Instagram stories and feeds, starting a blog, and my personal favorites, YouTubing, and podcasting. With this, babalik tayo sa una kong video where I mentioned clear-cut messaging. Kung kaya mong bumuo ng original content at nagsasabi talaga kung ano yung ginagawa, kung ano yung value ng product mo, kung kaya mong bumuo ng original content na mag-deep dive a little bit more into what your actual product does at yung value talaga na may bibigay sa mga clients mo, do that. Or di kayo gumawa ka ng video memes na very entertaining but at the same time gives information kung ano yung product mo. Which by the way, research a little bit more on video memes. Paborito ng Facebook yan ngayon. Just make sure na angkop yung produkto mo sa content na ito and also try to make sure na relatable to and shareable. Or as what most marketers would say, get a method or content that already has a proven track record. Meaning mataas na yung comments and shares and then gumawa ka ng post na angkop sa sarili mong produkto. Kung kaya mo namang mag-Facebook Live at pag-usapan yung produkto mo, which by the way is really favored by Facebook ngayon. So kung kaya mo mag-Facebook Live to talk about your product o di kaya ay sumali ka sa isang live podcast tulad ng Diskarte Weekly, napakagandang activity nito for marketing your product. Dahil again, pinaprioritize ng Facebook ang Facebook Live ngayon. So again, siguraduhin mo lang hindi ka spammy. So try to do 80% value content and 20% actual product promotions. Walang gustong nagmumukhang desperado. So bonus tips, and also I might go deeper into this in another video, make sure na meron kang posting schedule to keep it consistent because again, consistency is key. At the end of the day, napakaraming ways para i-advertise and i-market yung product mo tulad ng SEO and paid advertising. Pero isa sa mga napansin ko sa mga successful business owners na na-guest ko na sa podcast ko, which is by the way, link down below, ay ang pagiging matapang nila sa pagte-test, learn, rinse, and repeat. Hinahanap talaga nila kung ano yung method and strategy that works for them. They stick to that hanggat sa masimot yung strategy na yon, and then they move forward and find a new one. My point is, huwag kang mapanghihinaan ng loob, huwag kang mawawalan ng gana, huwag kang titigil porkit hindi gumagana yung marketing strategy mo or hindi tumataas yung sales. Making mistakes, learning, and pivoting o di kaya magbago ng diskarte is essential and crucial to the success of any business. Please subscribe if you haven't yet. Kung gusto mo pang makita ng valuable content like this one, click the notification bell and also click the like button para sa sweet YouTube algorithm. Also, comment down below kung meron kayong topic na gusto kong i-cover at sana makatulong itong mga videos na ginagawa ko para sa negosyo nyo. See you in the next episode. My name is Mendy and this has been Diskarte Pilipinas.